Now, that is not the only way we can use local web authentication, right? If we need web authentication for guest users in our environment, there's another way we can go. It's called an anchor. I always called it an anchor controller. Here they call it an anchor wireless LAN controller. Yeah, I added a little bit more. I called it an anchor controller. If you see this on the test though, you will see this as an anchor wireless LAN controller. Now what this is this is another wireless LAN controller. That's it. But it's doing all the work. So your local wireless LAN controller is going to deliver through a tunnel guest user credentials to this other wireless LAN controller. Then this other wireless LAN controller is what's going to deliver the data to our wired infrastructure. This is another way to isolate guest traffic because in that tunnel, the data is completely encapsulated. So it's traversing my corporate network, but it's not getting out of the tunnel. Created a tunnel specifically for the transmittal from my local wireless LAN controller to my anchor wireless LAN controller, which is actually the one that provisions the users and has the web login page. The local wireless LAN controller provides and controls the traffic, the wireless traffic, but then it tunnels everything to the anchor for guest traffic. This is only for guests. If I had an employee, we'll put a big E here, the employee's traffic would still go through the entire corporate LAN and everything just fine. But the guest data would traverse this tunnel and nothing else, being encapsulated, unable to escape the tunnel into my corporate environment. Very, very nice way to isolate the traffic. Let me erase all this so you can actually see. As you can see, local traffic path just to the wireless LAN controller and then tunneled after that point.